heck is that? Looks like Christmas came early. What's up, everybody? It's Jamie with Destination Bigfoot Bronco, and today we've got a little surprise. The UPS man dropped off 2 packages, and it looks like it's from our good friends at Mountains2Metal. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dig into the boxes and see what we've got. All right, let's see what we're working with here. There we go. All right. Looks like we have a rear roll bar MOLLE panel. And looks like accessories here. I went ahead and opened the second smaller box that came in this package, and what it is the left and right side MOLLE panels for the roll bar. So I want to go ahead and open these accessories and take a look at what tools we'll need for the install. And opening up this accessory bag here, looks like we've got a bracket with some inserts here to mount to our existing bracket that we already have in the Bronco. And then looks like we got a sticker. Can't go wrong with stickers. Thanks, guys. And let's see, some high quality instructions. But you know me, like I said in previous videos, don't really follow instructions because I'm a guy. And let's see. Then we've got another bracket here. And a few bolts, and that's pretty much it. So it looks like it's going to be a pretty straightforward install. So I'm going to take these over to the Bronco, and we'll see how they fit. Another great thing about Mountains2Metal is the fit and finish of their product is top notch. The machining is absolutely beautiful, and the powder coating, top notch. I don't think there's going to be any issues with wear or tear, so that's another bonus. Okay, we're about to start the install, and tools that you will need. You will need a 13mm socket, a T25, and a T40, and that's for the seatbelt. Okay, first you want to take this little small bracket here, with this 13mm bolt, and you want to install it into this hole right here. It's right above where your little bottle opener is. Get that started like so. Then take your ratchet. You want to make sure you push this little bracket here all the way towards the bolt. That's not going to work. Okay, so the socket was a little too big. It was interfering with the bracket itself. So just get yourself a regular wrench like so, and go ahead and tighten this down. Like so. Step, you want to take your back passenger seatbelt here, take this cover, I just pull it off like that, set it to the side, and then take your T45 and go ahead and back this thing out. All right, once it's backed off, I'm gonna pull this little piece here right off, like so. Set that off to the side. Take this little spacer off here, and you want to take this bracket here and slide that down like so, and then go ahead and put your spacer back along with this piece here, like so. Then line back up with your hole. Let's get it started. Then start snugging it down, but not all the way. You want to keep it a little bit loose. You want to have a little play so you can line up your bracket with the MOLLE panel. Like that. Right, next, you're going to use your T25 Torx. I've got it sitting here, as you can see, in my Mountains2Metal storage tray here. To get this storage tray on, you need to purchase the accessory brackets here, which I already have installed. And all you're going to do next is take your Mountains2Metal bracket with the logo facing towards the inside of the vehicle, and place it onto these two slots that you have right here. And then go ahead and take your bolt here, line it up through. Get it started. And take your other one through there. Get that started. And then I'm going to leave that a little loose so I've got some play back and forth, and then come back and tighten that later. All right, next you'll take your MOLLE panel and just bring it in like this. And what you want to do is line these holes up here where the Mountains2Metal logo is. And you want to put one on either side. And what that'll do is hold the MOLLE panel in place while you're trying to line up your top brackets. Okay, now that that's started, I want to leave those a little loose. So I've got some play here. And what I want to do is try to get these lined up. All right, and then get your bolt here and line it through the odd shaped hole that's on the MOLLE panel here. Like so. And then come back here and do the same thing with the one that's attached to the seat belt, and just kind of use your best judgment on how it's lined up here. Make sure everything is straight and started like that. And now that you have everything started, you can go back through and snug up all the bolts. Then once everything's snug, it should look just like that. Looks great. And then want to make sure you get your seatbelt cover and put that back on, and then you're done. And that is the finished product. And to do the other side, you just repeat the process, and then you'll have the complete setup.